1 Corinthians 16. Now concerning the collection for the Qorintiym, as I have given order to the called out assemblies of Galatia, even so do ye. Upon the first Sabbath, let every one of you lay by him in store, as YAHUAH has prospered him, that there be no gatherings when I come. And when I come, whomsoever ye shall approve by your Cepherim, them will I send to bring your liberality unto Yerushalayim. And if it be meet that I go also, they shall go with me. Now I will come unto you when I shall pass through Macedonia, for I do pass through Macedonia. And it may be that I will abide, yea, and winter with you, that you may bring me on my journey whithersoever I go. For I will not see you now by the way, but I trust to tarry a while with you, if YAHUAH permit. But I will tarry at Ephesus until the feast of Shavuot. For a great door and effectual is open unto me, and there are many adversaries. Now if Timotheus come, see that he may be with you without fear, for he works the work of YAHUAH, as I also do. Let no man therefore despise him, but conduct him forth in peace, that he may come unto me, for I look for him with the brethren. As touching our brother Apollos, I greatly desired him to come unto you with the brethren, but his will was not at all to come at this time, but he will come when he shall have convenient time. Watch ye, stand fast in the belief, act you like men, be strong. Let all your things be done with love. I beseech you, brethren, you know the house of Stephanas, that it is the firstfruits of Achaia, and that they have addicted themselves to the ministry of the Qorintiym, that ye submit yourselves unto such, and to every one that helps with us and labors. I am glad of the coming of Stephanas and Fortunus and Achaeus, for that which was lacking on your part they have supplied. For they have refreshed my ruach and yours. Therefore acknowledge ye them that are such. The called out assemblies of Asia salute you. Aquila and Priscilla salute you much in YAHUAH, with the called out assembly that is in their house. All the brethren greet you. Greet ye one another with a holy kiss. The salutation of me, Paul, with mine own hand. If any man love not Adonai YAHUSHA HaMashiach, let him be anathema maranatha. The grace of our Adonai YAHUSHA HaMashiach be with you. My love be with you all in Mashiach Yahusha. Amen.